Hi friends, let us prove some basic statements in trigonometry. We have sin a plus cos a times cot a plus tan a is secant a plus cosecant a. What should we do? Sin a and cos a are the inverses of cosecant a and secant a. Basically, we have to convert these two also in terms of sin and cos so that we get everything at secant a and cosecant. Let's see how. Right. Let us write cot A as cos A by sin A, tan A as sin A by cos A. Then this equation, this part becomes sin A plus cos A into cos A by sin A plus sin A by cos A. Right. Then let's do the cross multiplication here. This becomes cos square A plus sin square A by sin A cos A. Basically, we have sin A plus cos A into 1 by sin A cos A because cos square A plus sin square A equals 1. Right. Then let us do this multiplication also. Sin A times 1 by sin A cos A. That is sin A by sin A by cos sin A cos A plus cos A by sin A cos A. Right. This sin A and this sin A will cancel each other. Right. We'll be left with 1 by cos A here. Here cos A and cos A will cancel. We'll be left with 1 by sin A. So 1 by cos A plus 1 by sin A. What is 1 by cos A? It is secant A. What is 1 by sin A? It is cosecant A. Right. That's how we converted everything to secant and cosecant. Let's look at one more basic thing. Secant power 4a minus secant square a should be converted into tan power 4a plus tan square a. We know secant square a minus tan square secant square a minus 1 is tan square a. Right? So what we do, let's take secant square a common here. This makes it secant square a into secant square a minus 1 because total is secant power 4 a minus secant square a, right? We can take secant square a common here. But secant square a minus 1 is actually tan square a. And what is secant square a? It is obviously 1 plus tan square a because secant square a minus tan square a equals 1. Right. This we are converting into 1 plus tan square a. This we are converting into tan square a because everything we have to convert to tans, right? So what is this? Tan square a into 1 is tan square a plus tan square into tan square which is tan power 4 k. Right? Very simple. Just convert secant to tan. Next. Very similar. We have to convert cot to cosecant. Right? Cosecant square a minus cot square a equals 1. We know. Right? So here let's take cot square a common. Then this becomes cot square a into cot square a plus 1. But this is cosecant square a. Right? So cosecant square a minus 1 is cot square a. So cot square a plus 1 is cosecant square a. So this becomes cosecant square a minus 1. This becomes cosecant square a. So the multiplication of this becomes cosecant power 4a minus cosecant square into 1, which is minus cosecant square a. This is what we wanted to prove. Very basic. Now, we have to convert cosecant square a minus 1 in cos a cosecant a. Very basic. We know cosecant square a minus 1 is cot square a. Right? So this becomes under root cot square a, which means under root cot square is cot a. Cot a is cos a by sin a. But cos a is already there. I want to write it in cosecant a. 1 by sin a is cosecant a. So it becomes cos a into cosecant a. Right? Next, secant square a into cosecant square a equals tan square a plus cot square a plus 2. Right, we have to convert secant and cosecant into tan and cot. But it is very easy. Why? Because secant square a is 1 plus tan square a and cosecant square a is 1 plus cot square a. So, right, so if we do this multiplication, we get 1 into this 1 into 1 plus tan square a, which is 1 plus tan square a, and then this cot square into 1, which is cot square into tan square a, which is tan square cot square a. But this into this is equal to 1, right? Tan equals 1 by cot or cot equals 1 by tan. So this part will become 1. So we have 1 plus tan square a plus cot square a plus 1. This 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have tan square a plus cot square a plus 2. Right, that is what we wanted to prove. Very basic results, right?